This came in from Monica in Mesquite, and she says, due to foundation and water leak issues under the house, which have been repaired, a certain section of my floor has buckled upward, causing a hump in the floor. Doors are hard to close, if at all. It's in the intersection of 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and hall. Is there anything I can do to level the floor? Thank you, Monica. Well, depends on how long ago the wood started buckling. You know, quite frankly, people think just because the wood floor got wet, it's instantly trash. And even if it buckles when it first gets wet, if it's properly dried out after being wet that way, a lot of times it'll lay back down and be just fine. But time is of the essence. You've got to get this process started immediately and get any water off that you can get off so that, you know, this isn't a problem. So what do you need to do if it doesn't lay all the way back down? Well, now you're getting into some real work, and it again depends on the floor, but in general, if it's a true wood floor, not a laminate, not a engineered wood floor, but a true wood floor, sand it down and refinish it. The sanding takes all the high spots out, and then you just put a new finish on it and you're done. If it is a engineered wood floor and it's buckled, if you can get it to lay down enough, a lot of those can be sanded a little bit as well. So it just depends on the floor. If it's a laminate and it's buckled, guess what you're doing? You're getting a new floor, because that's not salvageable. So those are going to be your choices, but it all depends on you making sure to dry it out as soon as the issue starts. And what I typically would recommend, you know, when we have big floods that the whole area is flooding, you don't have this option. But when it's because of a slab leak or something like that, you get one of the companies out who can take the moisture out. ServPro is an example of one that they set up equipment and can dry things out for you. So that would be the direction I would be headed with that. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.